Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be about old radios versus new radios. Which do I prefer? And well, if you look what's in front on the desk, well, you can get the idea. I prefer the old radios. Few reasons. This is they are fairly cheap to buy online. £100 from import from Japan. That one, another import from Japan, I think it was 20 quid, it turned out to be. £10, that was the one that appeared on the channel quite a long time ago. This one, the Trio TR 2300, got from Retro Tech in 2025. Didn't pay too much for that, I can't remember the figures. One underneath, Trio TR 2200 GX. That was Hat Green Bunker Cell a few more years ago. And this one underneath, this is the new edition, Trio TR 9130. That didn't cost me anything. A friend who was having a clear out, he said it might need cleaning up, a bit of a service to it, but didn't need anything though. This was a bit stiff when I got it, but it just needed a bit of encouragement, and it does pull out the 25 watts because I've had it up on the dummy load and SWR meter. So, old radios, why do I like them? They're easy to work on. You can get the schematics online. I think VigPix sometimes does them, or you can just Google it. Just Google like Trio TR 2200 GX schematics and the schematics pop up. I've got one for the Uniden that comes with a service manual as well, so it actually tells you what's going on in the radio. And there's not many components in the radio. There's a load of crystals, resistors, capacitors, and some transistors. And you can pretty much, anyone with a solder 9 can replace them. They're easy to use as well. Unidens, you just dial in whichever you want. Okay, up, same with the 227. This one is not crystal. These two are crystal, this one isn't crystal controlled. This one works, it's a bit deaf. That one doesn't pull out 10 watts RF. It had the tone board mod. That one does, so I need to sort that out. The Yaesu 227 doesn't put out 10 watts anymore. I think it's the output transistors, and the Trio just works. The only downside of these old radios is some of the components may be unobtainium. Those transistors they no longer make, and you have to find an alternative, and you've got user resistors to bias it if it needs it. But you can pretty much work on it yourself. Now, if you enjoy your modern radios, you can get a Yaesu FTM 300DE or singing or dancing 50 watt dual band radio with all the signal processing you'll ever need and update it with your SD card. But what happens when it goes out of warranty? Yeah, if it breaks within a year or two, well, send it back to whoever you got it from, Martin Lynch, Walters and Stanton, Moonraker, Radio World, whichever your favourite radio emporium is, and send it to them, and they'll send it back to Yaesu to get it fixed and go from there. But what do you do if it goes out of warranty? Hopefully find someone who's going to repair it, and I don't think that's going to be cheap because it's got service mount components, and it just kind of puts me off. Yeah, okay, I've got a Yaesu FT857, which is 20 years old now. That's got surface mount stuff in, but that still works. And when that finishes, if that ever does die a death, which I'm told they will last a lifetime if you look after them. Don't know what radio I'm going to use. I've got a Zago G90, but that's just for the antenna tuning. And it does have its downsides, but that's HF. This is just 2 meters. My favourite band. Okay, the other side of it some of these radios may not be sensitive or selective. Uniden is not that fantastic apparently. Power outputs, well, 10 watt high, 1 watt low, 10 watt high, 1 watt low. That one is 5 watt low power, 25 watt high power. This is multi-mode, FM, sideband, CW. Just look at my notes on the screen. 2200 GX, 2 watt, and this one is 1 watt of power. So I'm going to have to take this out portable, 1 watt, bit of QRP stuff. And obviously Yaesu FTM 500D does like 50 watts, but that's a Yaesu for you. Yeah, that's just me rambling on about old radios. So let me know what you think. Put your comments below. Do you have old radios? Do you prefer the old radios? Or do you like to be up to date and modern with the new SDR expensive stuff? But all in all, playing radios, being out with radios, it's all part of the fun. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully in an upcoming video I'll get that fixed and we'll do a bit of portable stuff with that. And that, and that, and that, and that. Not all at the same time though. Right, bye for now, and catch you in the next one.